Alright, this is probably gonna be the quickest tutorial I've done so far for the Berimbau. Toque de Jogo de Dentro. Very simple rhythm, and the very last rhythm on the list that is actually simple, okay? From now on, things gonna get... Right, so the bass rhythm for Toque de Jogo de Dentro is very similar to Toque de Angola and Sambendo Grande de Angola, okay? Here we go. For some reason, this rhythm sounds super good. I don't know, this one note at the end, the last Preso, okay, makes this rhythm sound really well. So this rhythm is used Jogo de Dentro inside games, small rodas, people playing close to each other, maybe not too fast. What's Toque de Jogo de Dentro? Jogo de Dentro in a jogo de baixo low gains. The style play capoeira on the ground involve low movements with capoeiristas supporting themselves with their feet and hands only. This inside game opponents are very close to one another. So there you go, now you know, okay? The internet is always gonna tell you the truth, okay? So always check there. No, but seriously, if you think I'm some kind of guru that knows everything about everything, well, you're right. Okay, as for repiques, especially with this rhythm, because it sounds so good, you can play literally everything. So all the repiques we've done so far through all the basic rhythms, you can apply to this, okay? So I'm gonna show you some examples anyway, but feel free to explore, okay? Okay, let's do this one, okay? So we're gonna only do Preso, okay? We're gonna play with the Preso sound, and we're gonna play with Cabaça, opening and closing. Yeah, you can go like this forever, okay? Sounds super nice. Let's try with Toque de Jogo de Dentro. Yeah, we can go for a level like this, okay? Keep practicing this stuff, because from now on things will start to get a bit more difficult, okay? So, I'll see you in the next one.